Hey David, it's all working, I think. Got your light bar hooked up. Now these are just in place, they're not glued in. So you'll have to take care of that. And then maybe drill a hole through the cab to run the wire. I just ran the wire down here. Okay, so you gotta do something with that. Headlights are on. I can do turn signals. And come over here, and we've got the brake lights on. Oh, that's turn signal again. Oh, you want to see those anyway, don't you? That one, and we're going backwards. Put the brakes on, going forward, and we've got the dim tail light thing happening. And just look at the other side. Excuse my shaky camera work. There's your turn signals going.